Hey, my name's Thomas. I am the windshield doctor. I do all the glass and ADAS calibrations for Podium. We just replaced the panoramic roof on this Cayenne. So to do that, we pulled the windshield so that we could get to the roof. The body techs pulled the headliner. Then I pulled out the roof. We reinstalled it. Now we're putting the windshield back in, or I've already put the windshield back in. Now, if you see the trapezoid on the windshield, behind that is a camera. That camera controls the lane departure warning system, and because we move the camera during the removal and reinstallation process, it needs to be recalibrated. So I'm gonna get going on setting up these targets, put the car into calibration mode, and get the safety features working. Most people don't even know that there is a camera attached to their windshield. Probably an Audi RS, because they have room and they're fast and they're smooth.